So I was working on this graphic novel concept the other day, and I hit that wall you always hit with AI image tools.
Oh, I know the one.
Yeah. You get one amazing scene, but then you try to get, like, the same character in another shot.
Forget it.
Or get a street sign to just have, actual words on it. It just melts into this complete mess.
Total gibberish.
Exactly. And if any of that sounds familiar to you, you are going to want to listen to this. Today we are doing a deep dive on Google DeepMind's new model, Gemini 3 Pro Image. And its whole promise is delivering, and I'm quoting here, studio quality levels of precision and control.
Right. And it's a natively multimodal system, which is really the key to everything.
Let's start with that text problem then, because that
Yeah.
seems like one of the biggest breakthroughs here.
It is. The fundamental shift is that older models, they just treated text like another texture, another pattern to copy.
Which is why it always looks so weird.
Exactly. But Gemini 3 Pro Image, it actually uses the reasoning part of the main Gemini model.
So it's not just painting pixels. It actually knows what the words mean.
That's it. And that allows for what they're calling flawless text generation. We're talking crystal clear text on like product mock-ups or posters.
Or even different handwriting styles.
Yep, even simulating different handwriting styles right inside the image. It's a huge step toward real visual fluency.
And that real-world knowledge, that opens up so much. You could, for instance, ask it for an infographic.
Oh, absolutely.
Like create a diagram of Isaac Newton's theory of light.
Right.
It has to know the science to draw it correctly.
And it does. It pulls that domain knowledge to make the diagram factually right, not just pretty.
That's amazing.
And that fluency isn't just for one language. They built in a really powerful localization feature.
So you could take an ad.
And just tell it, okay, now do this in Korean. And it will translate the text within the image, keeping the whole design the same.
Wow. So adapting a menu or a poster for, say, the Spanish-speaking market is suddenly simple?
It's almost trivial.
I mean, when you start using tools that are this advanced, especially across different markets, it's not always simple to just slot them into your workflow.
The integration is a real challenge. Knowing where it can actually help is key.
Right. And that's a perfect moment to mention our sponsor for this deep dive, Silk. If you need help turning all this AI promise into something real for your business, whether that's training, automation, or even software development, check out embersilk.com. They really specialize in finding where these kinds of agents can make the biggest impact. Okay, so let's talk about the Pro Control features. This gets back to my original frustration.
Continuity.
Yes, continuity. We're told this model can keep up to 5 characters and 14 different objects consistent through a whole series of images. How?
The best way to think about it is like a digital continuity supervisor is built right into the model's core.
Okay.
It's essentially tracking the identity of those characters and objects across different generations. So even if you change the lighting from day to night or go from a wide shot to a close-up,
The character's jacket is still the same jacket.
it's still the same jacket. That's the definition of studio control.
And the performance metrics seem to back this up. It leads on something called ELO scores. What exactly is that measuring for our listeners?
So an ELO score is basically a competitive ranking. It shows how it performs against other top models on specific tasks.
And it's doing well on.
It's leading on the really complex stuff, multi-character scenes, creating accurate charts, and of course, editing text. It's proving itself where things get complicated.
Of course, with powerful tools, you need powerful guardrails. Google DeepMind's mission is about building AI responsibly, right?
Right, to benefit humanity. And that's not just a slogan. They've built safety features right in.
Like what?
Every single image made or even just edited with this model gets a watermark using synthite technology.
Okay, so you can see a watermark on the picture.
Actually, no. That's the cool part. It's imperceptible to the human eye, but a tool can detect it.
So you can always tell if an image came from AI.
Exactly. It's all the transparency, which is just so crucial for building trust in all of this.
It's really exciting. We're moving beyond just, make me a picture of a cat.
It's true co-creation now.
The idea that you can go from a simple sketch or a line of text to a 4K, historically accurate scene with full consistency. It just shows how fast the future of creative work is opening up. If you found this deep dive into Gemini 3 Pro Image insightful, please subscribe to the show. Hey, leave us a 5-star review if you can. It really does help get the word out. Thanks for tuning in.